In my teardowns of Soviet equipment, sometimes I have to destroy the original factory seals from the over the screws. Like this one is an original untouched one. So it is some kind of a black paste with an OTK stamp in it most of the time. And it is not completely hard, it remains always a little bit soft. So I have no idea of what was the material they did use. So I need to find two things, matching material and matching OTK stamps. That will be probably the most difficult. I may have to make them myself. I did search on eBay and nowhere are OTK stamps to be found. So this one is untouched. So I have been searching for black material, and the only thing I found so far is this Fimo Soft by Stradler. It is modeling clay that is supposed to go in the oven to become hard, which I do not want. I want it to stay soft. So I hope it will stay soft if I do not put it in the oven. Here I did try already to recover two screws, this one and this one. So it is not really black enough. As you can see, it is a little bit lighter. I would like more deep black, but I did not find anything so far other than this. And about the stamps, the only thing I have for now is the stamps for marking metals with regular Latin letters in them. So I can always stamp a number, but I would love to have the OTK stamp. And you can see you have a O, you have a TK merged together. So if someone has any link about where I can find one or a few of them of different sizes, or someone in Russia who is watching my videos and doing urbex in old factories and can steal a few old stamps, it will be really interesting. If not, I will have to make them myself, but I have no CNC or anything, and it is not really clear of how I will do it for now. I guess it will be made out of wood because it will be probably the easiest material to work with. So for now I will recover for you these two screws here from the PPK23 control panel. I made a teardown off. So usually you can see the screws either are in recessed holes or come with these little caps around them that are used to receive seal material. And so far I believe all the seals I have ever seen were black. Maybe some red sometime, but most of the time they were black on Soviet equipment. So I can always take one thing like this and press inside like such. So it is purely experimental for now, and as it is soft material I can always remove it and redo it. And this is not expensive, it was €2. Okay, so it is almost good. I will stamp a number, let's say number 5. It is not filled enough and I cannot stamp because my stamp is a little bit too big. So it is really and experimentation so far. Okay, not too bad, I guess. So I will see after a few weeks if this material remains soft or becomes hard in air. So it was in a local art and craft shop I found this. Okay, so here is what we have as a result. The original product is more shiny, so this one is quite not glossy enough. But it is all what I have, so I will do with it for now. So I will see in a few weeks if it is becoming hard or not. Here I did also do them yesterday when I purchased the material, so I will try to stamp in them and see what happens. Yes, it is taking the number, so I guess it is a good start, but I need to find OTK stamps that will probably be pure inoxidable, so I will have to make them. But stay tuned eventually for upgrades about this project. It is just in order to be able to reproduce the original stamps after I open the equipment to have a look inside. Okay, so thanks for watching, bye bye.